Welcome back to another vlog, guys. We are at Vidcon today. We are outside of the Anaheim Convention Center, where
I'm only concerned about food right now.
we just had breakfast.
No, but there's food.
But she's trying to plan for our next meal because we have food trucks behind us.
1 hour later.
So I found him. I was with the girls for the last hour because they would not sit still. I wanted to listen to a panel with Binging with Bebish, but I could not. So my brother did and Annabelle did, and they said it was amazing. They even got a picture with him. Super cool.
Yeah.
And Jonathan went to a seminar. What did you go to?
Learning how to make money basically off of YouTube and various ways of
educational stuff, not fun stuff. My brother was at the fun stuff. Jonathan was at the educational stuff. And right now we're outside and they have, check this out, guys.
Yeah.
It says a rainbow upside down is a smile. It's from Invisalign. Invisalign promotes teeth, yet they're giving away candy.
How contradicting.
I know, it's so confusing, but check it out. Alright, he's gonna attempt. I saw this and I knew he wanted to do it, and I was right. Don't disappoint.
Are you a creator? Tell us what you create.
Oh.
Are you a creator? Talk to us.
Wow! See? Daddy did it! Good job, Daddy! Alright, we made it. We just left another creator session, but we're looking for the kids, and the kids, all the kids, big kids, little kids. We're in the expo hall, and it's like Zion heaven in here. There's Nickelodeon, there's Barbie, there's LOL dolls. There's like everything a child desires in here. I don't understand. But they're supposedly watching up. I feel like I hear. I thought I heard my child's voice with another kid. Oh, but they're watching the Bon Appetit cooking session right now. How exciting! All right, let's check it out. Oh, where are they? Here's what we see though.
And this is our girls here at Vidcon watching YouTube.
Zay is so juiced. This is do not touch. It literally says do not touch, okay? But what is it? Huh? What is that? Oh, can you turn it around? Somebody was turning it around. Oh my goodness. Now it's dinner time. That's cool.
Alright, so Leah really wanted to do this one, the Barbie pool.
Check out this guy. He's trying to see what they're giving out at the free Axe booth. Leave it to Jonathan to get anything for free. Well, what did you get?
Hair paint and body wash.
Alright, y'all. It's nighttime now. And shout out to our friend Kevin, aka Agent Ocho, on Instagram for recommending this spot. Out of all the times we've come to Anaheim, we come to Disneyland maybe like 4 times a year. We never have this stuff before. And now we're like, this is a must every time. Look at that, Zay's got her blue cotton candy. Uncle Andre got the Bada Bing cherry. Auntie Annabelle and I, we got the watermelon. So good.
Everything.
The soft serve, I love soft serve. I probably like soft serve more than I like regular ice cream, TBH. I don't know why. But this soft serve is the best soft serve I've ever had. It's the spot, guys. Like, you definitely gotta come here when you're in Anaheim. New recommendation, new must for every trip y'all make.
Joe's?
Like for us, oh yeah. Did I call it? Yeah, Joe's Italian. Joe's Italian Ice. Y'all better check it out. All right, y'all, day 2. Heading to Vidcon right now. Jonathan is already there. He hit up some creator sessions this morning without us, so we could like take our time getting ready. But check this out. Look what Daddy made us. We got some Living with the Ink swag. Uncle's rocking it. Auntie, we got some on the back too, and the girls are wearing the exact same thing. So we're all matching today, all 6 of us. Today, we're gonna be at Vidcon for basically the whole day. What are you guys excited to see?
The Try Guy.
Oh yeah, the Try Guy. I'm hoping to catch some of that, but I might go to something else, so we'll see.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it.
I'm gonna do that, guys.
So don't stop. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel the good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance.
The struggle is real, guys. So we are headed to this event for family vloggers, but it's at the same time that the Try Guys is doing something for the, you know, for the community. It's like a community event where anybody can go to. But we are going to something right now that's specific for family vlogging. So Zoran is here with me, and
Not happy.
hopefully Andre or Annabelle record some good stuff, because I don't know, we might cut out early, but we wanted to see the Try Guys. I know, we really wanted to see Try Guys.
Hey guys, what's up? VidCon day 2. So mommy and dad, my sister and Jonathan, they're out doing some creator stuff. So we decided to go out with the girls and just walk around the expo floor, see what's good. We saw a lot of fun stuff to do yesterday, so I was thinking we could take Zayana and Zelia and just show them the cool stuff. I see some like Dora stuff right now, some cool M&M stuff. I saw a giant Nerf kind of like battle arena earlier, and I know Zaya would love to do that, so we're just gonna walk around, do some fun stuff while mom and daddy are doing the creator stuff. So catch you later. You ready? Show me your bio. You ready? You ready to go? So we are in line, getting ready to go to the battle arena. Oh. So we'll show you guys what it's like on the inside. Zaya, let's go. Zaya, you have to shoot at the people. Come on.
Nice. How have you guys been having fun so far? What's the coolest thing you've seen at VidCon so far? And you can't say yourself. The cookie cups. The cookie cups? The cookie cups in the Instagram round?
Gain worldliness and wisdom and maturity, but I hope most of all that my space falls into obscurity.
Alright, so it is the 3rd day today, Saturday, which is why we're wearing something different. And we just
We're in our
attended...
Disney clothes.
Yeah.
Because if you watch the Disneyland vlog,
This is what we're wearing, on the 2nd Disney day. But we just attended the keynote, and it was good. Overall, this conference...
It's a very new experience.
Yeah,
We
definitely.
learned a lot about YouTube and what is happening with, like, what type? The audience of YouTube is definitely young.
Very young, diverse.
And very diverse. We learned a lot in terms of what we could be doing. So, but it doesn't mean we're gonna change. We're still gonna be who we are.
Right.
That's what we learned too. We learned, you know, always stay true to who you are, and like do what you do. Don't change. Don't copy anyone.
But I like that they had something for everybody.
Yeah, they do have something
They
for
had
everybody.
for beginners, people that are just, you know, in here.
We met a couple
fun.
of people who haven't done anything at all, and then we met a couple of hold on.
Yeah, so we definitely met a lot of people that, you know, kind of just started, they don't know what they're really doing, but and kind of come to this for help. And they also have things for people, you know, that are people in the industry, and also people just creators that already, you know, have a following, and people that, you know, are already established. So definitely they have something for everybody, and they also have really motivational speakers. So not only is there something for everybody at different levels, but they're also pushing you to continue.
Oh, and I just wanted to say, we're trying this coffee bean and tea leaf for the second time. I know they have this back in the Bay, but I actually really like it. And I just want to shout out to some chicks we met here yesterday. I have their names in here. Life with Justine, Pia is Cool, and Mariah K. They all have channels on YouTube, and I met them while they were here, and they were super chill. So I just want to say, if you want to check out some new channels, check them out. We forgot to vlog some important moments.
Oh yeah.
Other than like some cool people we networked with, like the chicks I mentioned. Jonathan saw Benji.
Yeah, Benji, Travis, Nice Chris.
It's Judy's Life, it's Judy's Life.
Adam, Wahid.
And took a picture with us.
Yeah.
Like he was.
Like he actually
this
asked to take a
person
picture
was
with
like,
us.
"Can we take a picture with you? Do you
Yeah.
know who Adam Wahid is?" And we were like, "Sure."
Yeah.
And now we do, because we watched him at that family panel we went to yesterday, and we're like totally into it now. He's a really funny guy.
Yeah, and the girls also took pictures with the unboxing girls for the LOL dolls, right?
Oh yeah. For LOL surprise. It was pretty cool. We got to, and then like my brother and his girlfriend got to see Benji with Dash.
Yeah.
They're into the
and the
cookies.
Try Guys.
And the Try Guys. So, it was
So
pretty
that was cool. It was literally something for everybody, which was really cool.
This isn't for me, and I just drank it. For my brother.
Alright, but we're gonna go ahead and call it a vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Ooh, check this out. Oh, she's showing us. What does it say? What? It says I love Zaya? No, it says living with the Ings.